Hi, I'm Michael with the Lavatory, your #1 partner for restroom, shower, and laundry trailer rentals. This is the ADA+2 private shower trailer. This shower trailer is commonly used for commercial sites, remodels, homeless outreach, as well as disaster relief. This trailer is roughly about 20 feet long. With the dimensions of the ramp, it's kind of different. Please see our spec sheet for additional details for the layout. This trailer is also, when it sits, about 13 feet tall, so be sure that it has clearance for whatever location you need this unit. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. As you can see, this room is quite spacious. There's plenty of room for a wheelchair to turn around, 60 inches per ADA. You can see this is the shower compartment with a seat, as well as a wand that can be moved with dual water controls, as well as brace bars to lift themselves and support as they're washing. There's also an ADA sink for them to wash up. As you can see, this trailer is very low to the ground. That is because our ADA units are equipped with hydraulic lifts. So with these hydraulic lifts, we're able to go up and down, and we go as far as possible down in order to reduce the ramp length. Per ADA requirements, for every 1 inch of rise, we have to have 12 inch of run of ramp. So by lowering the trailer as low as possible to the ground, it reduces the length of the ramp. This is ideal for locations that have minimum or tight space requirements. In addition to the ADA shower room, this shower trailer is equipped with 2 additional private standard shower rooms, one on the side and one on the rear. Let's go ahead and take a look at those. Here's the interior of one of the 2 identical standard private shower rooms. As you can see, it is equipped with a sink, a mirror, an area to store your toiletries, as well as the shower compartment, which is a 36 by 36 area to shower. It has hot and cold water controls, as well as a shower head that is metered to 2 gallons per minute. In order to optimize all the features of this trailer, we do require 2 120 volt, 20 amp dedicated electrical connections for this unit. We will provide extension cords, but our extension cords cannot run further than 100 feet per plug. Also, because this is a shower trailer, we highly recommend that there is an on-site water source. This water source can be as simple as a water spigot. We will provide the water hose. The water hose will run from the water source and then connect to this connection right here. If on-site water is not available, we can provide an external water bag that we will connect to the trailer for an additional price. Our shower trailers are heated by propane heaters. The propane heater that we use is a Vesta hot water heater. The propane tanks are located at the exterior of the trailer. We provide 25-gallon propane tanks. One propane tank should last roughly 3,000 to 4,000 gallons of fresh water. We will coordinate with your team in order to make sure that we have plenty of propane and exchange tanks as needed. The waste discharge port is located on the rear left side of the trailer. It is a 3-inch cam lock. When the trailer fills up, our technician will come, connect the cam lock, and pump the trailer. If your site has a sewer connection, we can also run a hose and connect it to the on-site sewer. Or, because this is a shower trailer that generates gray water, we can dispose of the water in generally any area that you deem fit. Thanks for watching the overview of the ADA+2 shower trailer. We're here to answer any questions that you have, so please reach out anytime and we're happy to help. Thanks.